Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I'm going to say this thing's selling for $26. I don't know if you can get a better shave for $26. That's damn good.
Yes.
I mean, that's better than the Merkur 34C. Wow. All right, we have the Parker 78R today. We're going to do an unboxing. Here's the package that it comes in. All right, they've been making razors since 1973. Very simple packaging, brass handle. It's a 3-piece razor. You can see, here's the bottom cap, back side of it. Putting it back together, it weighs 78 grams. So the Merkur 34C weighs 78 grams. So it's got some heft to it. You know, weighs 78 grams as well. And look how small it is compared to the Parker razor. Nice looking finish. Taconic shave soap, lime. This stuff's really good. It comes in a tin like this. I really do like it. And let me put some water on my face here. Let's start lathering this up. Go into the soap, grab some of it here, which isn't gonna take much. This soap lathers so well. Just add it to my face here. I'm gonna paint it on like we always do. Go down for some water. And then just bust into a nice lather here. I'm gonna put in a Astra blade. I have talked to the owner of Parker Razors, Howie. He did say that it's a mild razor, so I might bump this up, we'll see. But I'm gonna start out with something I know very well. Putting the blade on top. Not a lot of play there, which is nice. Screw on the handle. Mine is perfectly aligned. No problems there. Great thing is, no tabs sticking out the side. Very, very low profile. How cool is that? Little tiny in your hands, but I mean, this thing right here is real tiny in your hands. The grip, the knurling feels really good. Way more than you get on the Merkur 34C. So now going in with the Parker 78R graphite gunmetal finish. See what we got here. Wow, that is very smooth. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like the video. Wow. Wow. I'm going to say this thing's selling for $26. I don't know if you can get a better shave for $26. That's damn good. I mean, that's better than the Merkur 34C with an Astra blade in it. I tell you what, let me throw another blade in there. Let me go to the Personas that I've been using a lot of. I'm just curious, because that thing, wow. The price point on this is perfect. Put a Persona blade in here. Again, perfectly aligned again. So speaking with Howie, he's like, I think you're really gonna like this razor because it's mild. I like the little head. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, add some more over here. And down below here. Wow, very impressed. Great job, Parker. That is just so easy to do. So easy. I think this might be better than the Merkur 34C. That is really good. Okay, let's go with the grain now. I'm telling you. Detail's really nice because it's got that small profile. First pass, hello. Yeah, very, very smooth. It's effortless to shave with this thing. I mean, come on, America, this stuff, you can't make this stuff up. Wow. It got it so good the first pass. Wow. All right, let me add some more down here for against the grain. Yeah, it was a good pass. So far, so good. I'm gonna go over with an alum block. Tell all here. Nothing. And a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Right there. Nothing more than normal. A little bit right here. Down below. Nothing. Yeah. What a good shave. Wow. For the money, you can't beat that shave. Oh my. This thing's good. Wow, is that thing good. Going in with some Thayers. Okay. Ooh, feels so good. Gonna also go in with some Nivea. Love this stuff, especially in spring and summertime. I just put yay much on there. Not much at all. When it goes on top of that Thayers, it helps spread it out. I'm highly impressed with this razor. Let me break it down. Shave soap came out of this razor great. It didn't get hung up. I did put a mild blade in at first, the Astra SP, the green one. It was very smooth on that, so I figured I'd bump it up to a Persona. And yeah, this thing could take it. See how well it cleans up. It just cleaned up wonderfully. 78 grams. I like that. I like the weight of it. The weight of it is perfect. The little handle is nice. How small the head is, getting in here and detailing was very, very easy. I truly love that. Neck wise, what a great shave. I mean, I just did 2 passes, no cleanup with the Parker. $26? Are you kidding me? This should be outselling all the Gillette razors, the Viking razor. You know, this thing should be outselling that. I know my first razor I spent like $20, $30 on, $25, $30 on, and I bought one of those Viking Chieftains because, you know, it was cheap, and I just wanted to see if, you know, this is something I was going to transfer myself to, from going from a cartridge razor to a safety razor. And I ended up doing that, but I returned the Viking razor. They promote the hell out of it, but they're still all made in China. They just stamp their name on it for them, but their marketing is fantastic. But Parker razors are made in India. The gentleman out of New York that owns Parker USA is Super Safety Razor Store. His name is Howie, and him and his wife Nancy sent these to me. This one and like 2 other razors, the shave soap. They sent me quite a few things. Oh, and he sent me all of these to try. Look at all those, dude. Thanks, Howie. Really appreciate that. So I'll link to his website below. He is on Amazon as well. But what a great razor. For the money, these should be flying off the shelf. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like the video.